Hey Steve, Paul Myers, Clark Communications. I just wanted to reach out today. Spoke to Amy. She mentioned I need to get this into your hands. Wanted to give you 3 or 4 things you can do right now to get more phone calls, more business into you guys. And you can do this all yourself. So just quickly, I wanted to show you something that I think you're going to find pretty interesting. This is the search for your business. So some people don't realize how much search is happening for their business. So I'm showing Sudbury, and I'm searching for keywords like HVAC repair, furnace, heating, cooling, heat. And there's between 4,000 and 6,000 searches happening here on a month-to-month basis. This is big search volume. And this is for the full year, and half of it, if not more, is coming from your mobile devices. So when we look to keywords like furnace, there's 12,100 searches happening. Cooling, HVAC repair, a little bit less. Heat, 9,900. Air conditioner, 40,000. So these are some massive keyword searches that are happening in your market right now. So what I wanted to tell you, kind of the first tip that Google will tell you, and I'll show you that right here, is one of the tips to a Google-friendly website is to make sure you provide high-quality content on your homepage, but especially on your homepage especially, but it's the single most important thing that you can possibly do. So making sure that you have enough content on there. So when I look to climate website, there's not a lot of words on this website, and kind of Google looks to words to help them get an idea of what your website is all about. So one thing I would suggest you do here is add more paragraphs, talk more about heating and cooling, and talk more about the keywords that are being searched for, like furnace and air conditioner. These are some big searches that people are searching for: central air conditioner, heating and cooling. These are some things that you want to be found for. So if I come back here to this and I type in furnace, let's go back to your website. Let's just do a Control F. And let's type in furnace. So you have furnace mentioned 11 times on this homepage, which is good. This is what you're looking for. Although I don't see where it would see it 11 times. But anyways, the idea is to make sure you have it said on this page enough so that Google can serve you up, because there's a lot of people searching for that. So tip 1, when I look at other websites here as well, so your competitors, is all you want to do is do more than they're doing. And every one of these sites I look at doesn't have enough content on there. So the most important thing would be to write more content and get this content posted. The second thing, when I took a look at your website as far as how it's performing. Looks really good. A couple of small things that you can change. Here we've got an F as a grade, but overall it's a grade C, 78 performance. It loads under a second. That's excellent. And I checked your mobile, and your mobile friendly, which is important. The only thing I would do is I would make this number larger on your mobile device, because when you look at it on a mobile platform, it's a little bit small, and a lot of people nowadays use glasses, so you might want to take a look at that. One of the biggest things I noticed on your website is it's not, if you look up here, it says not secure. What you want to do is you want to get an SSL certificate, and you want to enable it, because this is very important. Google will start ranking websites. I can show you here, Google SSL. They're going to start ranking websites based on just that. So this would be search. So they're going to start ranking websites based on if you're encrypted or not. So you want to make sure you're HTTPS, and your site currently is not HTTPS. So we want to make sure we're doing that. Another thing that will help you get inside of these things called HVAC Sudbury. This right here is called the Google Map Deck, or Google Maps. And you get placed in there by having more citations. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number cited all over the web. So when I look to this and I look at Campo Heating, they have 52. 669 Heat has 73. You guys only have 30. Bortz has 32. So you want to get a couple hundred citations here. You can use this tool that I use, which is called WhiteSpark, and you can go and build these things out for yourself. As a matter of fact, you can click here and it'll tell you Facebook, submit your business, Can Pages, submit your business. And you can walk through here and get those citations, because the more citations you have, the better you'll rank inside of the map pack. Let's take a look at search. So this window here is what we call an incognito window. It says right here. That means that my previous searches, when I've been searching for HVAC or heating and cooling, won't be affected by this window. And then I use a tool called Bright Local to simulate the search in the Sudbury market. So in this case, I've done 4 or 5 searches. I've searched for fireplaces, Sudbury. So if I look here at fireplaces, Sudbury, and I scroll down, you got a couple of guys running their paid ads. You've got the map deck, which you're not in. And then we're going to keep scrolling. We have Campo, your fireplace, Nordic Energy, Nordic, Home Depot, Napoleon, Costco, Sudbury Heating. So you're not being ranked at all for fireplaces. Heating and cooling, again, another paid ad. You're not inside the map deck here. And let's just see, I think you're number 3 here. So not bad, but you're lacking citations. That's why you're not here. Furnace repair. So we've got paid ads, 3 paid ads. We're not in the map deck. And let's just keep looking. I don't see Campo Heating number 6 here. And again, a lot of the clicks are happening right in here. And then if not there, they'll start choosing here. HVAC repair. We're not in the map deck. There's no paid ads for that keyword. And I'm not seeing you here as well. So that is the search aspect of things. So you can do a lot of different things by increasing that. I wanted to show you, if I take your website, I use a tool called SEO Quake, and we look at the page information. You're only seeing 2 people hit this page traffic-wise, but the more important thing here is the keyword density. So I'm going to bring this other window over here, and I'm going to just show you a cross section. So let's go back to this page and this page. So right now you're being found for climate. And if I come down here, I don't really see climate here at all. But the big keywords like furnace right here. Okay, so you're like the 7th keyword. That's good. Heat. I don't see, you have heating, but not heat here. So this is what people are searching for. These are the words, and yet you don't have them enough on your website to actually populate. So the key is to get, these words that they're searching onto your website in the form of content, so that we can start controlling some of this ranking process. Let's take a look at heat and see what they have for traffic. They have 19 people that hit the page this month. And, service, air, heat, home, maintenance. These are what these guys are ranking for. And keyword density is what they're found. So that's interesting. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was just kind of the power of your domain. Some of this you can control. So the most important thing are something called a backlink. And a backlink is when a relevant site links to your site and it passes part of their juice, their Google juice, to your website, which helps you rank. So when we look at Climate Control Sudbury, you have 83 backlinks, 32 referring domains, okay? Let's take a look at Campo, 159 backlinks, 41 referring domains. This one here is 669 Heat, 173 backlinks, 41 referring domains. So what we want to do is we want to get this backlink and these referring domains up. And that's kind of what we do, is we work to get these links secured for you so we can help you in your ranking. So listen, you can do this all yourself. It's just a time-consuming process. Or you can call myself, 705-491-2627. My name is Paul Myers. We're with Clark Communications here in North Bay. We do this all across Canada and North America. And we love, helping people dominate and crush their competitors. So if you want to kind of get into the top here in the domination part of the game, which is inside the map deck, and then number 1 or number 2 organically, this is what we can help you with. So if you found this interesting, I hope you found some value in this. Reach out. We'd love to have a discussion. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.